Moving ahead with the background of marginal distribution function for capital X, f1 of x, marginal probability distribution function for random variable y, which is f2 of y, and calculation of the marginal density function small f1 of x and small f1 of y, we solve this particular example. The joint probability function of two continuous random variable x and y. What is given over here? The random variables x and y are continuous random variable. How is the joint probability function defined by? F of xy is given to you as x plus y. X is in between the range 0 to 1. Y is in between the range 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise is the value of the joint probability function. क्या निकालना है? I have to calculate the value marginal density function of capital X and capital Y, marginal distribution function of capital X and capital Y. So just now whatever formulae we have seen for marginal density function and marginal distribution function, we will be calculating the things for the corresponding random variables X as well as Y. How is marginal distribution function calculated? Capital F1 of x. How is marginal distribution function for y calculated? Capital F2 of y. See, whenever distribution function is asked, density function will be automatically derived by taking the derivative, right? अगर ओरिजिनली सिर्फ डेंसिटी फंक्शन बोलते तो उसका इंटीग्रेशन का फॉर्मूला यूज करते. तो यहाँ पर इट इज एडवाइजेबल टू मी that first calculate the marginal distribution function and from that taking the derivative will give me the value for density function. Now in this case we are not asked any other probability. In this case we don't have to calculate the value of c also. Directly we will be moving ahead and getting down the answer. So f of xy is given to you as x plus y. Value for x is in between 0 to 1. Value for y is in between 0 to 1. The marginal distribution function of x is given by capital F1 of x. U is integrated between minus infinity to x. V is kept as it is. The function is f of uv du dv. What is your function? Function is now x plus y. So it will be converted to u plus v. Now what is the starting range of x? Starting range of x is from 0 to 1. So for x less than 0, the function will have the value as 0. And therefore the distribution function will be 0. For the range 0 to 1, the value is up to x. So it will be calculated from 0 to x. So u will be from 0 to x and v will be having complete range. V will be having complete range minus infinity to infinity. But v का range कहां से कहां तक है? V का range है 0 to 1 because y is moving from 0 to 1. So integration कैसे होगा यहाँ पर? The integration will be done as u will be varying from 0 to x so that your answer is in the form of x and v will be integrated between 0 to 1. Now what is to be done? First we integrate with respect to v and put the constant limits. So u as it is, u into integration of dv will be v. Integration of v is v square by 2. Put the limit 0 to 1, you get the answer. Now remaining terms will be integrated with respect to u. So integration of u is u square by 2. Integration of half is half into u. Put the limit 0 to x. So you get the value as x square plus x upon 2. So for this particular range, your answer comes out to be in the form of x. Above this range, your answer of the distribution function will be 1. So for x greater than equal to 1, both the values will be integrated for the range 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So what is integration of u plus v? U plus v का integration पहले integrate with respect to v. So u is constant, u into v plus v square by 2. Put the limit 0 to 1. Again integrate with respect to u. Integration of u is u square by 2. Integration of half is half into u. Put the limit. Your answer for the distribution function will be 1. So how is f1 of x? F1 of x is coming out as 1. So what is the way of writing down the distribution function for capital F or capital X as the random variable f1 of x is, for x less than 0, the answer is 0. For the given range 0 to 1, answer is obtained in the form of x, and for the value beyond this range, beyond this 1, x greater than 1, your answer will be 1. Immediately after calculating the marginal probability function for x, you can calculate the marginal density function. What is marginal density function? Derivative of distribution function is marginal density function. Derivative of 0 is 0, derivative of 1 is 0. तो in general मैं क्या बोल दूंगा? Marginal density function is 0 otherwise. For this range 0 to 1, take the derivative of this. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x is 1. Denominator 2 constant as it is. So what is marginal density function for x? Marginal density function for x is nothing but the differentiation of the marginal distribution function of x. So it becomes very simple when you calculate the marginal distribution function, and from that you derive the marginal density function. How is marginal density function given? By small f1 of x by the way of calculating the derivative. In a case of discrete random variable, this marginal density function is called as marginal probability function, which is additional column what we have generated by taking the sum of entries in the row. Right? Now, second case, marginal distribution function of y. It is denoted by capital F2 of y. What is the formula? V is integrated between minus infinity to y. U is integrated between minus infinity to infinity for the given function. Now, for y less than 0, always the starting range of y is also from 0 to 1 here. So before 0, function does not exist. So marginal distribution function will be 0. For the range, listen carefully again. We are repeating the process, but it is for the variable y. For the range 0 less than y less than 1, integration will be done up to y. U will be kept as constant. So integral for f2 of y is u from 0 to 1, v from 0 to y, u plus v, du dv. Here we integrate first with respect to v, or you can integrate first with respect to u, जैसे भी convenient है. If you are integrating with respect to u, then it will be u square by 2 plus v into u. If you are integrating with respect to v, it will be u into v plus v square by 2. Put the limit 0 to y in place of v. So u into y plus y square by 2. Now integrate with respect to u. Y constant रहेगा. Y as it is, integration of u is u square by 2. y square by 2 constant, integration of du is u. मुझे वैल्यू लिमिट के किस में डालना है? u में डालना है. तो 0 to 1 आप लिमिट पुट कर दीजिए. क्या होगा? y plus y square by 2. अगर पहले किसी ने सोचा कि इंटीग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u करेंगे, सो इट विल बी u square by 2 plus v into u and put the limit as 0 to 1. So what it will be? 1 by 2 plus v, and 0 के लिए तो value does not exist. Again if you integrate this with respect to v, तो क्या बनेगा? half v plus v square by 2. So again you are getting the same function. और यहाँ पर आप लिमिट पुट करोगे 0 to y. So if you put the limit 0 to y, it will be y by 2 plus y square by 2. Still you are getting the same answer. So anyway, if the integration is done, it is not affecting. You can have the choice with you whether which is to be integrated. मेरा एडवाइस रहेगा कांस्टेंट वाले लिमिट को पहले सॉल्व कर लो, लास्ट में वेरिएबल वाले लिमिट को. तो यहाँ पर भी आंसर, इफ यू पुट द लिमिट एज 0 टू y, y by 2 plus y square by 2. लोअर लिमिट 0 के लिए it will not exist. So still your answer is y plus y square by 2. So this is your f2 of y, marginal distribution function for the range 0 less than y less than 1. Greater than 1 के लिए the answer should come out as 1. Integration will be done for 0 to 1 for u and for v also 0 to 1. So your answer will always be 1. You can do the integration and verify it. So how is the distribution function written now? Marginal distribution function f2 of y is written as 0 for y less than 0. For the range 0 less than equal to y less than equal to 1, it is obtained as y plus y square by 2. Beyond the range y greater than 1, it is written as 1. ये हो गया आपका मार्जिनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन. इस पर से डेंसिटी फंक्शन का कैलकुलेशन मींस टेकिंग आउट द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन. What is the derivative of this distribution function now? F2, small f2 of y. Small f2 of y will be the marginal density function. Derivative of 0 and 1 is 0. So it is 0 otherwise. Derivative of this is 2y plus 1 upon 2. So we have written down the derivative for this particular quantity for the distribution function in the terms of density function. So this is what the marginal density function is for the given distribution function. So in this example, independently we discussed for a continuous random variable the marginal density function as well as marginal distribution function. Remember the formula well. Marginal distribution function for x, u will be from minus infinity to x, v will be completely for the given range. For marginal distribution function for y, v will be from 0 to y or whatever range, u will be completely for the constant limits. This is how we calculate the marginal density function or marginal distribution function. So from marginal distribution function, it is easy to calculate the marginal density function. So this particular slide is now revision of all the quantities, whatever we have learned, or the terms, what we have learned. So conclusion over here is joint probability function f of xy. In case of discrete, we just revise it so that it is easy for you to recall. The probability function or the joint probability distribution for discrete random variable x and y is f of xy, and the conditions are f of xy greater than equal to 0, summation over x, summation over y, f of xy is equal to 1. Marginal probability function, the marginal probability function for random variable x, it is summation from j equal to 1 to n f of xi comma yj. xi को फिक्स रखना है, all values of y which is sum of all entries in a row. Marginal probability function for random variable y, vary I will be varying from 1 to n, so f of xi yj, j will be fixed, addition of all the entries in the column. But table बनाने के बाद अपन क्या करते हैं, additional column and additional row is calculated, which is giving you the marginal probability function. Joint distribution function for random variable f of xy is given to you as f of uv, summation over x for u and summation over y. But this is very rarely asked. Independent random variable. The random variable x and y are said to be independent when f of xy is equal to product of marginal probability function for x and marginal probability function for y. So product of f1 of x and f2 of y is jointly the probability function f of xy. So this was all regarding the joint probability function for a discrete random variable. Joint probability function for continuous random variable. The joint probability function or joint density function for continuous random variable x and y is f of xy greater than equal to 0, integral from minus infinity to infinity for y as well as x, f of xy dx dy is equal to 1. So in case of continuous random variable, summation is converted to integral. How you calculate joint distribution function capital F1 of x? Just now we saw integral from minus infinity to x, minus infinity to infinity f of uv du dv. So that is how marginal distribution function for x and y is calculated. Marginal distribution. This is the representation in total for x and y as joint distribution function. This is marginal distribution function for x denoted by capital F1 of x minus infinity to x minus infinity to infinity f of uv du dv. Capital F2 of y is marginal distribution function for y माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी u के लिए एज इट इज रहेगा, v के लिए इट इज माइनस इंफिनिटी टू y f of uv du dv. डेंसिटी फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज डेंसिटी, बट अलग से अगर डेंसिटी फंक्शन निकालना है x को एज इट इज रखना है, v को वेरी करना है, y को एज इट इज रखना है, u को वेरी करना है, बिकॉज दीज आंसर्स आर ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्टेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x एज वेल एज y. Marginal density function and marginal density distribution function are the answers which are obtained in the variable x and y. So this is how we will be calculating the marginal density function for x and y when distribution function is not provided. Independent variable, when you can say that the random variables are said to be independent, when f of xy, the joint density function is expressed as product of marginal density function of x, that is f1 of x, and product of marginal density function of y, which we call it as f2 of y. So that is how the product is to be expressed. Then we say that the random variables are independent random variable. So this is all is the summary of whatever we have learned up till now for joint distribution containing the random variable x and y. This is the important list of formulae. What is the formulae to be used for random variable which is discrete in the form of joint or in the nature of joint? Summation over x, summation over y, f of xy is equal to 1. Grand total equal to 1. This is the joint density function given by integral minus infinity to infinity for x, minus infinity to infinity for y, f of xy dx dy is equal to 1. Marginal distribution function for continuous random variable capital F1 of x, marginal distribution function for capital y which is given by f2 of y. Marginal density function अभी जो फॉर्मूले देखे थे, small f1 of x integration to be done with v, small f2 of y integration to be done with respect to u, y will be kept as constant. Small f1 of x is derivative of capital F1 of x, small f2 of y is derivative of capital F2 of y. Random variables are said to be independent when f of xy is equal to product of f1 of x and f2 of y. What are these f1 of x and f2 of y?